T-Series combines for 2025 introduce a new standard of efficiency, performance, and comfort in the agricultural industry. This lineup includes the T61, T71, and T81 models, all designed to maximize productivity while minimizing operating costs. With advanced features and modern technology, these combines offer a seamless harvesting experience for farmers looking for reliability and durability. One of the standout features of the 2025 Gleaner T-Series is the new DuraDrive ground drive system. This system includes a 2-speed, shift-on-the-go transmission that allows operators to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. This makes it easier and faster to move between fields, reducing downtime and improving overall efficiency. Additionally, the lightweight design of these combines helps minimize soil compaction and reduces fuel consumption, making them both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. The Natural Flow Processor, a signature feature of Gleaner combines, ensures superior grain quality while maintaining high-capacity harvesting. This design allows grain to move smoothly through the combine without sharp turns, reducing grain damage and improving overall efficiency. Along with the 2-stage cleaning system, these combines provide outstanding grain purity by effectively separating debris and foreign materials, ensuring maximum yield quality. Operator comfort has also been prioritized in the 2025 models. The Deluxe Cab option offers improved visibility with integrated cameras placed behind the combine and under the unloading auger. This enhances safety and precision during harvesting. The new AutoTurn feature automates headland turns, aligning the machine perfectly for the next pass. This not only reduces operator fatigue but also increases field efficiency by ensuring precise and consistent turning. Maintenance and servicing have been made more convenient with new shielding designs that provide better access to machine components. This reduces the time required for cleaning and repairs, ensuring that operators can keep their combines running smoothly with minimal downtime. The durable build and thoughtful design of the T-Series make them a long-term investment for farmers looking to optimize their harvesting operations. In terms of pricing, the Gleaner T-Series combines start at around $600,000, depending on the model and additional features selected. They are available for order at authorized agco dealerships, where farmers can explore financing options and customization choices to suit their specific needs. For more details on the latest agricultural machinery and updates on farm equipment, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest reviews, features, and farming tips.